Hey y'all, I'm Ariel. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subby. Y'all see what we're doing today. Y'all have requested it so many times. I got you. Okay, I was like, you know what? Do they really need the Hello Kitty tutorial? Like, do they really want it? Do they really want it? Oh, they want it, and they're gonna get it. Okay, so let's get into how I did this Hello Kitty look. Okay, y'all, so first things first, I'm using this Give Me Romance palette from Beats by Debs Cosmetics. It's so cute. It literally comes with a mirror and it comes in handy so much. I put in these pink contacts and then I already have my base and blush done basically. I'm gonna touch it up a little bit more. I literally just took off the previous look I did. If you wanna go see this look, y'all go check it out. But I definitely wanted to give you guys this tutorial and I kind of just wanted to do a Hello Kitty look with this blonde hair. I just feel like it go together. So for this eye, I'm not gonna put the Hello Kitty on. This eye is just gonna be a wing with a nice pink in the crease. And then on the actual eyelid, I'm just dipping my finger in this white and putting it in the center. And then I'm using this pink to shape it as if it's kind of like giving like a cut crease type of vibe, but very light. We want most of the focus to be on this eye, so let's go ahead and get into this Hello Kitty cute little look. So I am using the Athena paint palette. I did get this from Amazon, so you guys can go ahead and cop that. It's on my Amazon storefront. We're gonna dip our brush in this white color here. So we're gonna use this white color here. Again, this is oil paint, so you're gonna have to set this oil paint with a translucent white powder. So first I'm gonna open my eye and I'm gonna leave it open. Leave it open, okay? Because we wanna make sure that when we're opening our eye and just looking front, the cat ears and the bulk of the cat kind of sticks out from the rest of the eye. So I'm gonna leave the eye open and I'm gonna draw the middle of the head right here. And then I'm just gonna draw a diagonal line from there and another diagonal line down, and same on this side. So see, we've already got the ears down. That was not that bad. And you want to make sure that the ears are wide enough for the bow to show, but also for the ears to have a moment as well. So I'm actually just going to draw the ear all the way up to my brow, and I'm going to do the same for here. I don't have as much eye space as this picture here, so I'm just doing my absolute best with what I have. And then we're just gonna finish out the curvature of her head. There we go. Like that. Okay, so this is the base, okay? The next part is super easy. Let's just fill her in. Okay, perfect. She's already looking so cute. I am rounding the ears out just a little bit because Hello Kitty doesn't have such pointy ears. They're kind of more so round. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. Okay, the bow might seem intimidating, but I'm gonna show you a simple, easy way to get that bow looking cute and chic. So we want a magenta color for the bow, so I'm gonna go with this pink right here. We wanna make sure the ear is still very visible, so we're going to draw a diagonal line here, and a diagonal line here. That way we know we're gonna still be able to see the ear. We're gonna do a C right here, or a parentheses. And kind of keep opening your eye to make sure that the bow is still going to be seen no matter if your eye is open or closed. And then you're gonna draw another diagonal line to meet the middle of the two diagonal lines you just drew earlier. Parentheses here. And then another diagonal line. I feel like the brush has a lot to do with how hard or easy drawing on your face like something like this can be, because this brush is kind of too long, honestly. I need like a shorter brush because this one is like very flimsy for what I'm trying to do here, but it's doing the job, honestly. So we're just gonna fill her in, and then we're just gonna kind of draw like a little hump on the top and on the bottom for the middle of the bow. And that's our bow right there, y'all. That's so cute. Like, oh my God, so cute. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. pressed powder. I'm just gonna set that in place. So this next part is probably the hardest part, and it's outlining the bow in this black color. You do not have to do this part. You don't have to do this part, but I'm gonna attempt it, so let's see how I do. Okay, and that didn't even take me that long. And see y'all how I open my eye and you're still able to see the Hello Kitty no matter if my eyes open or closed. That is what we want. Now let's get into the fun part. Okay, so now we're gonna put rhinestones all over the white part of this look. And I have these right here, but I also just realized I forgot some eyeshadow. Oh, shoot. I'm actually like just now realizing that she has like kind of like a pink eyeshadow all over it. So I'm just gonna take the same pink, very carefully go around the Hello Kitty. Oh, I already got it on there. It's okay. Remember, you can always make alterations, you know what I'm saying? Like if you mess up, just, you know, you can always fix it, you know? So that's why it's always good to try something new, because I mean, shoot, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see, I don't always get something the first time or perfect. Sometimes I have to go back and fix something, but this is she's looking very cute. I don't mind it at all. Like, honestly, no, this part. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to use this super, what is it called, child? Super strong waterproof adhesive. It's clear eyelash glue, you guys, and these rhinestones, and I'm just going to bling up this whole Hello Kitty. Let's get into the time lapse. Okay, y'all, so look at how gorgeous this looks. I cannot wait to show you guys the finished look. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Y'all, I love Hello Kitty so much, and this came out so super cute with the blonde, and then I have this like soft pink like sports bra on, and that's like really super cute, and like the pink eye with it, just so pink. It's just, everything is so pink, and I just love it. I'm just living. I'm so super tired, but this look is so cute, and I wanted to give you guys this tutorial because y'all have been asking me for it, and I was like, you know what, today's the day. Make sure y'all go follow me on all my socials. I'm Ariel Labine on most socials. I did recently just change my handle to Labine Beauty. Labine is my last name and beauty is the game. Okay, so we're just work with me as I evolve. Okay, I'm so glad y'all are here on this journey with me. Okay, like just a month or two ago, I didn't know how to put contacts in. Now look at us. Now look at us. Okay, so make sure y'all stay tuned. If you want to see how I did this recreation, if you want to see the reaction to this look, y'all go check it out. The links are in the description box below. With that all being said, thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again, bye.